This is Andre Banks coming today from Banks Credit Check with a quick video on a credit card that you may not be aware of that actually is pretty good if you're looking to repair your credit report, credit score I should say, and you're coming off from some credit challenges in the past, or if you've even had a bankruptcy. The credit card is called Ollo, and that's spelled O-L-L-O. Card I found out about on the humble. It came to a couple family members, and I actually tried it out myself to make sure I can even do this video itself. Ollo initially starts off with a pretty high interest rate, especially if you had some credit challenges in the past at 29%. But they're willing to work with you, especially because you've had some credit challenges. Not only does it provide the higher interest rate of the 29%, which is not a good thing, of course. But over time, if you improve your credit score and improve your credit rating, they'll lower down the interest rate. In addition to that, they actually provide you a decent credit limit. Most credit cards, especially if you're starting out and you've had some credit challenges in the past, they're only going to give you limits of maybe 500 to 1,000. Ollo tends to give a higher limit to start off with. I'm not talking about much more, but anything's better. Sometimes it's better than starting on 500 to 1,000. They give you almost 1,000 to $2,000. As well as they increase the credit limit as you improve your score and as you improve your credit standing. So those are two good advantages of it. The reason why I'm speaking about it because many people not be aware of it, and it has a weird name, but it does provide some advantages going on time, and it'll help you improve your credit score and your credit report going forward. Again, it's a card to utilize if you had some credit challenges in the past, or if you had a bankruptcy. Maybe look into Ollo. I think the advantages will outweigh the disadvantages that it provides. I also found out that they lower the interest rate over time, as I think I mentioned before, as you improve your credit score and credit standing, and they provide you a little bit higher credit limit than other credit card companies, especially if you're starting out and if you had some credit challenges in the past. So I always want to take a look at and do your own research and do your due diligence. If this video has been any value to you, please subscribe, leave some comments. Until my next video for Banks Credit Chat, I'm out.